Did you know that garlic was once nicknamed Russian penicillin? Today we will be exploring how it got that name, how it compares to actual penicillin, and what makes it so unique. Okay, so garlic got this nickname because way back in the day during World War II in Russia, they used to heavily use garlic on soldiers whenever they was wounded or caught infections. And the reason why they had to go and use something natural is because they didn't have access to penicillin and a bunch of antibiotics like we do in today's world. So they use garlic, and garlic is very, very beneficial at killing bacteria. The reason why garlic is so powerful and so effective is because it has an active compound in it called allicin. Now, allicin is released whenever the garlic is crushed or chopped or damaged for that matter. And this allicin is very antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral. And not only that, it also helps support the immune system, it lowers inflammation, and it boosts blood circulation. And keep in mind, this is not nothing synthetic or artificial. So it actually broadens your defense system, if that makes sense. But if that didn't make sense to you, let me just clarify a little bit. Usually, when you're dealing with something synthetic, it's actually very targeted. So, for example, if you take a pill for a headache, right, it's usually going to take away the pain in your head. But if that headache was caused by dehydration, then that pill didn't hydrate you. Whereas if you go drink some coconut water or something like that, that's gonna hydrate you, it's gonna hydrate you, which is gonna help your defense system in other ways, and it will also take away the headache. You feel me? Subscribe. Anyways, let's get back to this video. So how does garlic compare to penicillin? Now, before I get into that real quick, let me just tell you what penicillin is. Penicillin is a targeted antibiotic that is discovered from mold. So it's going to be more potent and way more aggressive than garlic. Garlic is a natural antibiotic, so it's more mild, it's more chill, and it's better for prevention, right? So it's going to help build the immune system. It's going to help make the immune system strong and prepared for the war. Whereas penicillin is coming, guns blazing. They didn't come to play around. You feel me? So basically, what I'm saying is, for example, if you have an pneumonia, that's the best time to go with penicillin. And if you have some small type of bacteria, garlic will definitely do the job. But please do not sleep on garlic. Garlic got a long history in ancient Egypt, Greece, China, and Ayurveda. Why? Because it's very effective. You hear me? Garlic is stamped. You hear me? Stamped. Nah, but seriously, make sure you implement garlic into your life. You could put it in your food. You could use it as seasoning. You could use it raw. You could have it in capsules. You could make it into a paste. It's a lot of things you could do to implement it into your life. So the key takeaway I would like you to remember from this video is that yes, Russian penicillin may not be a substitute for antibiotics in every single situation, but it does go to show you that nature has some very resilient and powerful tools that we could use to our benefits. Peace.